welcome to X3MLIVE.com, and today I'm going to show you a demo on how to use the X3MLIVE scoring software. In this demo I'm going to create a tour, then I'm going to create an event, we're going to add some riders to the event, and we're going to start the event and see the scores coming in. So pretty interesting here, and we're going to get started by creating a tour. We scroll down, create new tour, and we're going to create the X3MLIVE Pro Tour. Create, and here we have it. Tour is already created that fast. We move to the event, and we want to create a new event, so we scroll down, we want to create the event in the X3MLIVE Pro Tour. Then we select a format, and by selecting a format the system will create all the heats and the rounds we need by itself. So we don't have to do anything, and we're gonna check for a format for 12 surfers, 4 main heats and no loser round. And the event will be called X3MLIVE O'Neill Pro, and we create the event. Alright, so we want to get started with this event, so the only thing we need to do, as the status is upcoming, so we want to change that to current event X3MLIVE O'Neill Pro. So this is now our current event, and then we move to the heats, and we will see our heats for the X3MLIVE O'Neill Pro. As you can see, 3 heats, 4 surfers, but no surfers are in it yet, only the seedings. So what we want to do now is add the rider, so we click on the event, we scroll down, and here we can add riders. So I take my list with seedings from the last year. So first is Mick Fanning, Joel Parkinson, Pete Durbridge. Those are the seedings we need for this event as well. So the first is the first seed, second is the second seed. So we save the riders to the event. Riders successfully added, and now they will be visible in our heats. Here they are, all the heats are ready to start. So let's go to our live scoring system, and you can see we're in round 1, heat 1, sorry, and we have Tyler Max, CJ Hubgate, Kelly Slater and Mick Fanning in this heat, and it's about to get started. So let's see the scores come in. Alright, the heat just started, and Mick Fanning comes up with a nice ride, so we're waiting for the judges to put their scores, and I'm putting the scores for the judges now. Every judge has their own computer, and he can put his own scores in, and here on the screen we can see the scores from the judges coming in, and this is actually the panel for the head judge, and he can see every score coming in. So we can see Judge 1 gave his score, Judge 2 gave his score, but you still have to wait on the score from Judge 3, and we'll see when it comes up. The score is in. This page refreshes every 10 seconds, so there it comes. Pop, an 8, 7.6. First ride of Mick Fanning is a 7.6. So I'm gonna give some other scores. Alright, this is a demo of what the judge panels look like. So every judge has his own computer, and this is the screen they get and what they see. So basically it's all the riders for every heat, all the scores they can give, and they can just give in all their scores they want. They have a personal judge code here, so all their scores can be tracked afterwards, and we can call interference by doing this. So that's basically everything the judges need to put in their scores. Alright, here we are again, and we're waiting for a last score of Kelly Slater, and it just popped up. So Kelly has 2 scoring waves now. He has an 8.1 and a 5.43, so he's in the lead, and his combination is a 13.53, and he's winning by 5.93. Second is Mick Fanning. He has a 7.6 and no backup score, so his combination is of course a 7.6, and he needs a 5.94 to move into first. And alright, let's say this heat is finished and we want to move to the next heat. Then the head judge just scrolls up and clicks next heat, and there it's loading, and you can see the next heat pops up. Dane Reynolds against Damien Hopgood, Taj Burrow and Beat Durbridge. And if we go to our heats now, we will see the previous heat with all the scores. Here you can see it. First Kelly Slater, second Mick Fanning, third CJ Hopgood and fourth Taylor Knox. And we can export our scores to a PDF file so we can easily print it out, and you can see all the situations and the scores here given by the judges. You can see all the average scores, the judge scores and everything you need to know. This you can print out and put on the event site for the riders. So that's basically how everything works. It's pretty easy, everything goes automatically. It fills up the heats with all the scores. You can check out everything live, and yeah, it's just really easy to use.